Let's talk about shooting fashion. First, I want to say I am not sponsored by Leica. Leica doesn't give me anything, and I pay for all my Leica gear myself. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about today's topic, which is shooting fashion, and particularly runway shows. I shot this image in New York City during Fashion Week. I don't shoot a lot of runway stuff. Most of my stuff is editorials, campaigns, and so forth and so on. And of course, stills for motion picture and television productions. Okay, you want to shoot fashion and you want to shoot runway shows. What lens should you use? I personally suggest you buy a Leica 90 to 280 apochromatic zoom lens for the SL system. I also have a 70 to 180 2.8 apochromatic zoom lens, which I've shot tons and tons of fashion with, but that is for an R camera, which is Leica's film camera. That is a beautiful lens as well. So the reason why you want to shoot fashion with the zoom lens is the models are coming at you and walking away from you. So you have to track the shot and keep them center frame. You have more control to do that with the zoom lens than a prime lens. Okay, Richard, you love your 75mm and your 35mm apochromatic Leica lenses so much, then why are you talking about zoom lenses? Well, it's a different tool for a different shoot. When I'm on movie sets, I can step in closer, get the shot, and step back, and I'm not using a flash. On fashion, you're using a flash a lot of the times.